Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am doing some sort of quick container seeding in preparation of inclement weather coming in a few hours. So the deer have been eating this pot, both of these pots of carrots that I seeded last January, and I thought, well, I might as well just go ahead and harvest them. They're not all big, but some are actually surprisingly large. So maybe I'll have a few that come out that are a bit more impressive while I'm making this video. Oh, that's a good one. I am gonna top dress this with some fresh veggie mix and get some more carrots seeded. I know, I haven't learned my lesson apparently, but I figured it'll take a few weeks for them to germinate, and maybe the deer will get into a new habit. Yeah, right. But I can also plan to spray and yeah, I don't know. I'm probably lying to myself. I've just installed this really ugly, well, I didn't, David and Aiden did, this ugly chicken wire to try and protect violas. And if you've watched my videos from the past, I used to do the most beautiful winter container gardens. And now I don't even bother because the deer eat everything. And I just have not figured out a plant palette that's winter active, that's appropriate for containers. Ooh, that was a good one. So I keep doing the same thing and the deer just keep ripping my dreams apart. But nevertheless, I'm gonna try again. I've been pretty pleased with how these carrots grew, and ooh, here's a big one. I think, yeah, nice size. These were actually dwarf carrots, so they weren't supposed to be super big. But I also appreciated that the swallowtail caterpillars could eat the foliage. So I'd like to just do this planting again because it was easy. I have tons of carrot seeds. So, all right, I've gotten all the carrots pulled up. So now I'm just gonna go get a little bit of fresh veggie mix, the top dress, and then I'll show you just how easy it is to scatter the seeds and be finished with this project. All right, I've decided I'm gonna diversify a little. I'm going to add carrots. I'm also going to add chives in hopes that these will help deter the deer. And because I have it open, I'm gonna put in some Paris Island romaine lettuce. So basically I've got two matching pots here at the front entry of the greenhouse, and I'm just gonna scatter. That was a little heavy-handed, like that. I don't try and grow carrots in the ground anymore because the nematodes make that difficult, but they do well in containers. And the chives, actually, I can grow basically anywhere. They're really practical for their deer deterring, or in theory, their deer deterring capacity. And the deer will eat the lettuce. So I've got two things in here that deer like to eat. So we'll see, actually, technically three things, because they love these fruit snack apples. Now I'm just gonna lightly go over that so that the seed has good contact with the compost. And I'm gonna do the other pot, and I'm not even gonna bother watering because we're supposed to get a wintry mix overnight, which means North Carolina is gonna be shut down in the morning. However, it's supposed to be gone by the afternoon. Friday night's supposed to be great, and then Saturday, just in time for my last greenhouse class of the year, all about cottage gardening. It's gonna be clear weather, so the class is on. Well, everybody, I hope you'll be inspired to sow some seeds and try growing some food for yourself this winter season, whether it's in the ground or in containers. And of course, I'm wishing you all the very best of luck if you're navigating deer like I am. Well, as always, thanks for watching, and happy gardening, everybody.